Hey guys, so before we get started on this video, I just want to let you guys know that comparing this chair with my old chair, this one is leather and my old one was fabric. And just to let you guys know, if you like more cushion, I'd prefer the fabric, but if you like a more firm chair, then the leather would be a nicer way to go. Another plus to the leather is if you sweat a lot and you want to absorb all the sweat, and I do sweat a lot, so this chair is probably better for me. But as far as comfort, you probably go for the leather. I mean the fabric. Fabric has more cushion as far as sitting down and stuff, so that might be the right way for you. But if you're just going for the looks, I mean, I think leather has more designs as far as how it looks and stuff. But if you just want it for comfort, I'd say get the fabric one. Hey guys, so this chair is pretty expensive, so if you want a cheaper budget chair, this chair is probably not for you. But if you have the money, I'd say go for it. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get to it. Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be opening the secret Lab Titan Evo 2022, the Flash Edition, given to me as a gift by my girlfriend for
Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get
along with anybody, because I love the Flash.
I've been living in my own
As you can see, no box, what it looks like. Pretty cool. Now we'll get to open. Ooh. It came with the poster. That's nice.
From the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person. I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Greatness, to myself, and so they get pain. When I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, part of my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Here. This, I don't know what else. Armrest. Wheels, and I don't know what this is. We'll find out when we assemble it. Oh, I think these are just for the bottom pieces for the chair. Yes, sir.
The base.
The bottom piece. Oh God. The bottom piece for the chair. base for the wheels. Finally, where your butt goes, the butt piece. It does come with armchairs. I guess it comes with
Armrest.
armrest. It comes with extras.
I think the box you got was the padding for it, baby.
Oh, just kidding. This is just the base for the armrest. Awkward.
Anything else in the box?
That's it. That's it. Hello guys. So I was looking for the instruction, but the whole time I'm the poster. What you will need, possibly nothing, because they gave you everything. All the tools. Back it says, what's this? Two. I guess we don't start with that. Start with this.
Forget this, why do I mind reckless? Thoughts of I'm breathless, anxiety so defenseless, betray being open. I ache like an ocean filled up in a potion. Rub it, feel it soaking, reopen. I can't go, I feel need to, cause I can't go, I can't go, I feel cause I can't go. Wanna kill the bad thoughts is real. I'm just lost in the feel. I need time to wheel, cause this ride me chills. A nice road to feel and crash
Or
till I let go. It's never at home. On every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold, cause I can't move on till I let go. Gifts but one subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh god, another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened? This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away.
gonna do?
He's running the
I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I
You're so Bloopers.
Bloopers. I like it. This came with it already. I don't want to have to freaking put it on.
You know what's crazy?
Lumber height. What?
Yeah, it's on the sides.
Oh.
There's some.
Is it going up?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it going up and down. Is it for both? You have to
This
do
one
both.
is.
Oh, for lumbar support? That's cool. Genos!
That's it.
No, it's not.
I just wanna stay bad.
There's a pillow.
Chip on my shoulder 'cause they treat
This
me like
way.
an outcast. I'm gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits start.
It doesn't show that in the instruction. There you have it. It's magnetic.
Action! Okay.
Hello guys. This is the flex chair. We're gonna go over some details. This is all leather. I thought there was some fabric on it, but I guess not. It's all leather. Everything is magnetic, as you can see. This is magnetic as well. Magnetic. These side pieces are magnetic. And it comes with the height adjustable knob right here on the side if you want it higher or lower, and it does come with the lumbar support on this side, the right side, for this. I don't know if you can see, but it's bulging. It's bulging. It's bulging. That's what the back looks like. And it does have a oh, that goes far back. Height and lock it down so it won't lean back. And that's about it. That's about it about this chair. That's about it. I do like this chair a lot. It feels nice, and I like the leather. It's because I sweat a lot, so it's not gonna absorb all my sweat like the fabric would. And it is the flash, so that's a plus. I will keep you guys updated in a couple months to see how the chair is, to see if it's still functional. I'm sure it will be. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Just let's move forward and back, and side to side. But yeah, other than that, the chair is awesome. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated within the next couple months to see how it's going. And thank you all for tuning in.
Cocaine.